Welcome to MCB e-account portal. Account opening is now super simple with MCB e-account portal. Open your Asaan Digital and Asaan Digital Remittance account at your convenience, securely and in just a few steps. Simply click on the Apply button. On the next screen, click on Start a new account opening application. To start with the application process, please read the terms of service, agree to them and click on the Continue button. A pop-up message will appear asking you to allow location sharing. Click the OK button. On the next screen, you will be required to enter a valid mobile number and email address and click on the Generate OTP button to proceed further. Check your message and email inbox and enter the 4 digits one-time password provided to you by MCB Bank in the respective fields and click Continue. Please note that the OTP is case sensitive and needs to be entered exactly as mentioned in the text message email. In the next window, enter your name as per CNIC, mobile number registered against your name, CNIC number, CNIC issuance date, province and click the Continue button. In the next window, select Asaan Digital Account or Asaan Digital Remittance Account option to proceed further. For a successful account application submission, you are required to complete the following 4 steps. 1. Creating a customer profile and providing your preferences to the bank. 2. Review and provide consent for customer declarations. 3. Upload necessary documents. And 4. Review the provided information and submit your application. Let's start with customer profile. Fill in the required information, including your profession, occupational details. For your ease, you can also choose to provide self-declaration as a source of income or profession. For Asaan Digital Remittance account, you will also have to provide remitter details. Click Next to proceed to the next screen. You have now reached to the second step, Customer Declaration. On this page, you are required to read and agree to these 5 declarations. Please note that you need to read the FATCA CRS declaration carefully, as it requires certain fields to be duly filled. Once you have thoroughly read and agreed to these declarations, click the Next button to proceed to the third step. On this page, you are required to submit your documents. Please make sure that you use original documents when scanning and ensure they have clear readability of all your details. To start, choose the document type you wish to upload by clicking Select and a drop-down menu will appear, giving you options to choose from. Once you have selected the document type, click Choose File under the Select File section. Once you have selected the file, click Upload and wait for the document to be uploaded. Once uploaded, these documents will start appearing in the list of uploaded documents on the page. Repeat the process till you have uploaded all the required documents, marked with an asterisk. Mandatory requirements. Live photo. We need you to capture your live picture, for which you will require a system with a functional webcam to capture your picture. Kindly note that taking a live picture is mandatory and you cannot upload an already saved photo. Signature. Simply download the signature specimen card, sign it and upload the scanned copy or photo. Once you have uploaded all the documents in the required format, please click Next and move on to the 4th step. On this page, you will get to choose the value-added services you can avail with your account. You can choose to avail a SMS transactional alerts facility. Kindly note that you will be able to request e-statement alerts. Click Next. Before you submit your application, a preview window allows you to review all the details that you have entered. Carefully review all these details and if something needs to be corrected, click the Edit button to go back and make the change. Once everything is reviewed and the information you provided is correct, click the checkbox I confirm that the above information is correct and click on the Submit button. Congratulations! You have successfully submitted your account application. For your convenience and personal record, you can print your details by pressing the Print button on the next page. Once all the information and documents provided by you have been verified or validated, your bank account number will be issued to you via email. Do rate your experience before you leave the page, as your feedback is valuable to us. Please find answers to several frequently asked questions by clicking the FAQs tab on the top. If you still need to contact us for any questions, please feel free to reach out to us on our helpline 042 111 000 622. MCB, Bank for Life.